welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a curly bouncy curly hair tutorial, and I'm using this Ali Grace hair which I've had in for about 2 weeks now. I made this wig myself and it's in a Brazilian body wave texture. It comes in this really nice 1B colour and it's really nice. I literally have no faults yet. The hair doesn't really tangle, and the one thing that I hate about hair is it tangling at the nape, and it doesn't do that. So I'm going to be using this heat protectant from Pantene. It's infused with argan oil and, is it going to focus? It's infused with argan oil, and you can use it on your natural hair as well and relax if your hair is relaxed. So I'm just going to put this into my hair to protect it from the heat, especially on the ends, because you don't want dry ends, you know what I mean? And then I'm just going to brush that through again. The barrel I'm going to be using is from Babyliss, and I'm going to be using it on the highest setting. I'm not sure what these are. I've had them for quite a long time, but I'll try and find them and I'll put the link below. Obviously I'm wearing my hair in the middle part, and I'm just going to literally separate them into 2 bits. Bring everything forward. So I'm going to take a section that's not too big, not too small, like a medium section. That much is fine. So I'm going to take my barrel and I'm going to curl my hair halfway down my face. So I don't want the curls to start too high. I kind of want to keep the length of the hair. I normally curl my hair on my wig head, so this is like a little bit awkward for me, I'm not going to lie. But I'm going to try and do it. So yeah, so just probably eye level. I'm not going to bother like opening the clamp and all that stuff. That's just on. So yeah, I'm going to keep it here for maybe like 10 seconds. I don't really count, but I think it's about 10 seconds. I feel like that should be enough. So when I let go, I put my hand at the bottom, obviously it's not hot, and I let it drop. And what I do is I crunch the hair together, like squash it together, just for a few seconds, just to make sure that it kind of cools down in that position. And then I take one of these clips, is this one broken, and just hold it. Like that. You don't have to do the clip thing, but it just helps them to last a bit longer. So now I'm going to take my next section. So I'm going to start the curl about here, and again curl it away from my face. And be careful not to twist your hair when you're doing it, because sometimes I do that and that's not what we want. And then when you're ready to release it, obviously let it go into your hand, squash it. It is going to be hot, so be careful. And then get your clip again, and voila. So you're going to do this around your whole head, obviously. So you can either do them all going back, like in the same direction, or you can kind of like mix up the directions. I'm going to mix it just a little bit. So I'm going to take my next section, which is going to be, I'm sweating guys, because the light is hot. That's going to be my next section, and that's like basically at the back. So I'm going to do this forward, just to give it a bit of, you know, variety. So brush it through, and halfway. Oh, so hard looking in the camera. Hold it here. So I say this is how much hair I've got left. I would say this is maybe like three more sections, or even 2, depends. I'll see. So I'm just gonna brush it all out. I think, yeah, I can get 3 out of this. So I'm gonna take 1 here, that much, and then up here I'll split it into 2. This one's gonna go towards my face, because you can see I'm just freestyling right now. So yeah, so towards the face. And then we're gonna let that chill for a bit. I have 6 curls on this side, so I'm going to do 6 on the other side as well. And I'm going to speed it up because it's exactly the same thing. I'm going to do them all away from my face, apart from 2. I'll do 2 going forward. And yeah, I'm going to use the same clips as this side for this side because I only have 6, so I need to take them out. But as long as they're cold, then it's absolutely fine. The curls will still hold. So I'll let you see the first one so you can see how it drops, and then I will speed up the rest. So yeah, so I'm going to take this one out. And then put this one in here. Well, this is how the first curl has dropped. As you can see, it's pretty tight, but don't worry, it's not going to look like this. We're going to brush them out after, so yeah. Okay, so all my hair is curled now. Looks like I've got a mic. Yeah, all my hair is curled now. And as you can see, this side is got cute ringlets, and this side is still hot. So I'm just keeping the clips in for a little bit longer, probably a couple more minutes. Okay, so I'm going to start taking these out from the front because the front is cold. The back's still a bit warm, but you can see how they are dropping. You want to make sure that it's completely cold, so if it's not cold, then don't take it out. Right, these 2 are still warm. And the back's still warm. Oh my gosh, this is taking ages. You know when you want something to happen, it doesn't happen. I feel like I'm waiting for the microwave. This is taking long. It doesn't normally take this long. Crikey, mates. Okay, you know what? I'm taking them out. I don't care anymore. That's fine. So this is what they look like now. Very bouncy, very cute. This is cute. This is cute if you want like a curly bob. But we don't want a curly bob. Whoa. But yeah, we don't want a curly bob. We want bounce. Okay, so now we're gonna brush them out. I know it gets scary when you curl your hair. You don't want to brush them because you don't want the curls to go away, but that's not gonna happen because we let them cool down and they're gonna keep their shape. So, well, they're not gonna keep their shape, they're gonna loosen up. So I'm gonna take my denim brush and brush that out. Starting from the bottom. Look at that, did you see that? And as you can see, it takes the shape of a few giant curls. That's not what we want, but keep brushing it until you're satisfied. And I'm gonna brush this side out as well. You can see how cute this looks already, and we're not even finished. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hands and separate the curls so that it doesn't kind of like wind into one big curl. Now I'm going to take my Got To Be holding spray. Let that do its thing for a bit. Once I put the spray in, I'm just going to scrunch the hair up all the way through. Doesn't matter if it gets messy because you can brush it again. Then have a look. Look how beautiful those curls are. So bouncy, so lovely. So it's literally that easy, guys. Like, that is how I curl my hair. These curls will last like maybe a week or so. You can brush them obviously every day. And yeah, that is how easy it is. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well. And yeah, I'll see you in my next time. Let me know if you like this kind of content, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one.